Hi everyone. Is your Turbo VPN connected but there's no internet? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that may solve the problem. First, turn airplane mode on for about 5 seconds. Then turn it off again. This refreshes your mobile network and often fixes connection issues. Now open Turbo VPN. Tap the 3-line menu, then go to Settings and open Protocols. Select IKEv2 IPsec. Then go back and try connecting again. If it's still not working, open the Google Play Store, search for Turbo VPN, and install any available update. An outdated version can sometimes cause internet problems.